All right, let's get straight into it. Have you ever noticed how the people who accomplished their goals, their biggest goals, they saw them first in their head? They see them, they visualize them. They had the mental reps, they practiced it within their head before they even got to the meet, before they got to the championship, before they won. They saw themselves winning first. Before they delivered the speech seamlessly, perfectly, they saw themselves delivering it amazing. They saw the crowd go wild before they even got on stage. Now, setting goals is tricky for most people, and actually seeing them through, let's not even get started there because we've all set New Year's goals before and have fallen off by February. Let's be real. And so, obviously, maintaining that momentum, maintaining the motivation can be difficult when you can't see your future. Like when you can't even see yourself stepping into or embodying that goal, like embodying the person that accomplished and achieved that goal successfully. So I'm about to share with you guys a tool that can really help you maintain the vision in your head so that you keep that clear target, that clear goal, and that clear aim to where you're going. A vision board is a visual snapshot of your dream life. Images, words, symbols, whatever you want that represents the energy, it represents the essence, the money you want, the body you want, the relationship, the lifestyle. It's all in one place, and it really just holds the frequency, the energy, the vibration, the emotions. It's supposed to evoke the emotions, right? Like you want to look at it daily, and basically you're training your brain to focus on what you want instead of what you fear and what you don't want in the past and everything. You're focused on where you're going, you're focused on the future. And then you'll start noticing opportunities, and you'll start making different decisions. Like you'll basically all your actions will align with the destination that you're headed towards based on this vision board. You're really just immersing your mind with these visions, with these images, saturating your mind with the future that you want. And like attracts like we've all experienced how when you're thinking about something a lot and then you start to notice it a lot in real life, like that's how everything works. All our fears come true. All of whatever we're focusing on, whatever it is that we're really hyper fixated on, we're going to attract more and more and more of that. So why not be very intentional with what we are calling into our lives and what we want to experience, the synchronicities we want to experience. So if you want to put this into practice, I would get clear on some questions. Just ask yourself, what do you want your life to look like in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years? Think finances, career, health, relationships, and lifestyle. And I like to use Pinterest. I also make my vision boards on my iPad, on the app Procreate. You can use Canva. You can use physical ones. So yeah, Pinterest, magazines, printed photos, digital tools, whatever you can find that makes you feel something, not just things that look aesthetically good, but like they evoke emotion from you. And you want to also add phrases, add words, add quotes that make you feel the emotions or capture the essence of freedom, of wealth, peace, overflow, abundance, impact, health, confidence, and power, whatever it is, beauty, like whatever it is that you would like, community, groups of friends, and just, whatever it is that is your priority and what you want your life to look like in the future. We're basically creating our reality. You're calling in, like as if this is a video game, which hint, hint, wink, wink, it is. We have a lot of power over how we manipulate energy and source energy around us, basically. So once you make your vision board, place it somewhere where you'll see it daily, above your computer desk, by your bed. I like to use my screensavers, my vision boards as screensavers, like on my phone, on my iPad, wherever I see something every single day. I have some vision boards that I've framed and put in my bathroom as well. And, pair it with some action, like look at the board and just feel it and give gratitude and say thanks and ask yourself, what's something that you can do that'll move you closer to this? Like, what is the person who is on your vision board, who has that life, what does he or she do today? How do they act today? And so you really want to embody this stuff, right? You want to ask yourself, what are the routines? What are the habits? What are the beliefs, the practices? How do they talk? How do they walk? What do they dress like? What don't they own? What are their habits? And you basically just want to embody this. And oh my gosh, like just the magic of this technique, of this practice. It's so powerful. Do your own research. Don't even take my word for it. Make your own and just see what it does for you. Like the simple act of even creating the vision board is just so powerful. Putting all that energy into something so intentional. You're basically creating your dream life. So have fun with this. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And yeah, like, do you use vision boards? Let me know. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Peace, guys.